Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share something special with you. It is about my daily life and how I practice English every single day. I hope this story gives you some ideas and motivation to practice English in your own life. So, let's begin. Every day, I try to live a simple and meaningful life. I make English a part of my daily routine because it helps me improve little by little. My life may not be very exciting, but it is full of small activities that teach me something new every day. Today, I will share my daily life in simple English so that everyone can understand easily. I wake up early in the morning. At first, I open my eyes and look at the ceiling. Sometimes I feel lazy, but I remind myself to start my day. I sit quietly for a few minutes, stretch my body, and take a deep breath. Then I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and brush my teeth. After that, I feel fresh and ready. I believe cleanliness is very important in daily life. Then I drink a glass of water. Sometimes it is warm water and sometimes it is normal water. It gives me energy and makes me feel healthy. After that, I prepare my breakfast. I usually eat bread with butter or jam, or sometimes rice with vegetables. I also enjoy fruits like bananas, apples, and oranges. Breakfast is important because it gives me strength for the day. After eating, I get ready for my work or study. I check my bag, books, notebook, and pen to make sure everything is ready. Then I leave my home. If the weather is nice, I enjoy walking outside. I look at the trees, listen to the birds, and feel the fresh air. Some days are hot, some are rainy, and some are cool. Every day feels different.
On my way, I meet different people. I greet them by saying, "Good morning." Some smile and some do not, but that is normal. I also greet my friends with a simple hello or how are you? These small words can make people happy. Sometimes I even wave my hand or smile politely, even to strangers. At school or work, I try to stay focused. I listen carefully to my teachers or managers and take notes. If I don't understand something, I ask questions. Asking questions is not a weakness. It shows that I want to learn. I also practice speaking English with my classmates or colleagues. We talk about simple topics like food, movies, news, and family. Even small conversations help me learn new words. Sometimes I make mistakes, but I never give up. Every mistake teaches me something new. I always try to use new words in my daily speaking. During break time, I eat lunch. Sometimes I eat rice with chicken, sometimes bread with curry or noodles. I drink water or juice. Eating with friends makes me happy. We laugh, talk, and share our ideas. Sometimes we talk about our dreams, and sometimes we tell funny stories. In the afternoon, I continue my work or study. I may feel tired sometimes, but I remind myself that hard work is necessary for success. I also practice writing simple English sentences in my notebook, like, I am learning English. I want to speak English fluently. Practice makes a person perfect. Every day is a new chance to improve. These sentences are simple, but they help build my confidence. I repeat them aloud to improve my speaking. After finishing my work, I return home. Sometimes I stop at the market to buy vegetables or fruits. At the market, I practice English in my mind. I think of sentences like, how much is this? Give me 1 kilo, please. Do you have fresh tomatoes? Thank you very much. Even if others don't understand, I still practice silently. This helps me make English a natural part of my life.
When I reach home, I take some rest. I sit, drink tea, and relax. Then I do some personal work. Sometimes I clean my room, sometimes I read books, and sometimes I help my family. Helping family members builds love and respect. A clean room also makes me feel happy and peaceful. In the evening, I often go outside. I meet my friends and we walk or play together. We talk about simple things like, what did you do today? How was your class? What will you do tomorrow? These simple conversations are very helpful for practicing English. Sometimes we also talk about sports or news. At night, I spend time with my family. We have dinner together, usually rice, vegetables, fish or meat. We talk and enjoy our time. After dinner, I help with small tasks like washing dishes. Later, I use my phone or computer to learn English. I watch videos, listen to songs or read articles. I also write new words and make sentences. For example, life is a journey. Simple words are powerful. Sometimes I record my voice in English. Listening to my own voice helps me improve. Before going to bed, I think about my day. I ask myself what I learned and how I can improve. I thank God for the day and make small plans for tomorrow. Finally, I go to sleep. I set my alarm, turn off the lights and lie down. Sleep gives me energy for the next day. This is my daily life in simple English. Every day may look the same, but every day teaches me something new. I believe that with discipline and daily practice, I will improve more and more. Life is not only about big achievements. It is about small steps, simple habits, and daily effort. Simple English helps me communicate better and gives me confidence. I know one day I will speak English fluently. But for now, I am happy with my progress. I always remind myself that learning is a journey, not a race. So this is my story, simple but meaningful. This is how I use English in my daily life.
So, my dear friends, this brings us to the end of today's video. I truly hope you enjoyed listening to my daily life story and how I practice English every single day. My life is very simple, just like yours. I wake up, I eat, I work, I learn, I talk, and I sleep. Nothing is very special, but inside these small moments, there is real growth. Always remember, learning English is not about speaking perfectly. It is about speaking step by step, day by day. Even if you learn just one new word today, that is progress. Even if you speak one small sentence, that is improvement. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait until your grammar is perfect. Start now. Start with simple words. Start with small sentences, because small steps create big success. Sometimes you will feel tired. Sometimes you will feel shy. Sometimes you will feel like giving up. But please, don't stop. Keep going. Your effort is building your future, even if you cannot see it now. Believe in yourself. Trust your journey. Speak without fear. Make mistakes. Learn from them, and grow stronger every day. One day you will look back and feel proud of how far you have come. And always remember, English is not just a language. It is a bridge to new opportunities, new people, and a better future. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today. Your support means everything to me. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more simple and useful English learning videos. Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep believing. See you in the next video. Take care and have a beautiful day.